Okay, what is goody chat? I'm gonna make a video. This is my first video ever. I like going places on my bike thing. Just like, I don't even know again. Oh crap, that's that one dog. I just got a GoPro. Like when I got back home from school. Juked. I'm kidding. That's a nice dirt bike, bro. That's like a CRF 50 or 110. Yeah, there's a fair going on. Well, it's not happening right now. It's gonna happen on this weekend. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just walk around in here and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. That's the one. Yeah, that's the slide, I think. No, that's the slide. They just set that up. Oh, Dizzy Dragons! Oh, it's a new. Well, it's not really new. It's a ride. There's the thing. What the frick is that? That's a new ride. Oh yeah, that's pretty skibbity toilet. And then I hit the pretty. Yeah. Oh crap. There's a guy. Oh my god, I'm scared. Big Burly Barbecue. Pretty epic. I don't know what to do. Is there any like good food? Oh, that's that one kid. Wait. Oh yeah, let's go by the stage. I'm super skibbity toilet. Yeah, this town is too small, little bro. Oh, I'm rocking the freaking Freak Bob shirt. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the Freak Bob. Freak Bob shirt. Ow me, my god. I just hope this angle is good. I'm definitely gonna post this video. I might just like save it or some crap. If I don't post it, I'm probably dead. I'm kidding. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get new goggles because these ones are like really small. And the new ones I'm gonna get are like sky blue. And these ones are like transparent black. I don't really like it that much. That signal. Oh, that thing. They make like kettle corn in here, and it's really busting. Business center, the signal. I'm just that skibbity. Oh, my butthole. I honestly do not know where I'm going. I'm gonna go uptown. There's like a bunch of stuff to do up there. Actually, there isn't. Ah! Oh, this rattly thing. So freaking annoying. Oh, man, it's crap. There's a horn. And then there's a phone thing. It goes joints, you know what I'm saying? It can like loosen and crap. Do it little zoinky wheels. And I don't know what's actually rattling. I'm gonna try to fix it. I think it might be this, but it's tight. And oh, this is rattling. That's for sure. I'm gonna like tape that down or something because I don't need to freaking use it. This bike is foldable, bro. It goes like 22. I'm trying to get like a dirt bike. Yo, if you got a dirt bike for like $200, hit me up. And you have to be in like somewhere in Illinois. That's where I live. I'm not telling exactly where I am, but yeah. Where am I going? I'm on acoustic, bro. I'm going the wrong way. I was yapping. My bad. I'm a little excited because like this is really big because like if I get like a lot of views and crap, I could get freaking monetized and stuff. which that would be super skippy toilet, and then I earn money. Oh my. This brake, they haven't, like, I don't know why, but the disc brakes they have are green. If you can see on the back, they're green too. And these brakes are strong, dude. Rocky Bubba, thank you. Oh crap. Thanks, Daddy. Oh my god. There's so many bugs. Hiya. Oh yeah, I'm like a big fan of Saronster. He's like he's my favorite YouTuber. And also, what do you call it? Minty150DY. If you check my like bio, whatever you call that, I'm like a really big fan. I'm a big fan of him. He like inspired me because like he does the same content that I do, but he's like, bro, he's so skibbity. Actually, like where I live, it like places a bunch of rocks down everywhere. It's not very skibbity for it. Like on this, look at the freaking wheels, bro. They have like no traction, and yeah. I just hope this thing doesn't fall. This thing, my GoPro, yeah. Holy shiitake mushroom. Holy god, it's delicious. I just choked on my fart. My bad, child. Hiya. Feels like there's boopy on my butthole. Oh my gosh, that bozo is catching. Oh no! This thing cannot go very fast. I'm like, yeah. Okay, there we good. Now we good. This thing goes like freaking 22, and the speed limit is 30 around here. Oh shit. So I have to like let people pass. Bro, there's a free scooter right there. I'm pretty sure it's been there for like a few days. Oh wait, I remember. Let me show you a doggy. Okay, I'm still recording. Like the battery life of this GoPro is like 2 hours. So it's not super long, but it's also not super short, so it's like I would want it to be a little bit longer, but this John is like one. What's that? Yeah, my butthole. So do I go over there? Yeah. I go over there. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh my god. What the fuck? And he's stopping at the middle. What the? Bro, is that a problem? I mean, just that's the first freaking day I have my GoPro, and that's the first time somebody honked at me. I mean, I'm not sure if he was happy or sad, but bro looked mad. Like, just because I had this camera, I think he might have saw it. Bro, he looked mad too. He honked at me for no reason. I was already on the side of the road. I wasn't bothering nobody's business, and he just honked. I wanted to flip him off so freaking bad. Little bro's not him. Yeah. He was totally happy, guys. Totally happy. I go visit this doggy every single day, bro. It's like over here on the freaking left. He's just chilling. This house that has like one people living in it, like a kid. Oh my god, it smells like drop. Do I see him? Do I see him? Please tell me he's dead. I see him! Doggy! I think he remembers me. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hello. Oh, crap. Hello. Remember me? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Oh my. Chill out, little bro. He's already whining. I know. Oh, crap. Don't hit my camera. I know. Little buddy. Yeah. Calm down. It's okay. Oh, God. Chill. I know. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Please don't whine. Bye, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow. My boom doctor. And then there's another dog up here. It's like a German Shepherd. He's old, but yeah. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I think I am. Probably not, but it's okay. It smells like grass. I wonder why. Oh, crappity Ruby. I put my hand like this, and I almost like crashed. But this thing is slow. I'm going full throttle right now. I got a bug. There's a squirrel. That's the elementary school, isn't it? Please tell me he's here. Please. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna sneak up on him. Oh, he see me already. He's old, bro. Hey, buddy. This is my friend's grandma. She's super nice. Oh, there's that dog. I don't know that. Hi, buddy. Is he nice? Do we got rabies? Yo, chill, gang. Not that he will, bro. Yo, get back. Ow. Ow, in my head. Chill out. Dang it, not that deep. I'm just trying to pet a little doggy. Got my headlight on. Whoa, that's a stupid ass boom booked up. That's like the second time I seen him. Oh, I'll eat my butthole. Okay, don't chase me, please. Okay, we good. What the thing? One time I almost hit a freaking squirrel right here. It like jumped out. I don't know if it was a squirrel or a dog, but it like jumped out at me, and it like, I'm pretty sure it went through like right here. Oh shit. Oh my, yeah. Yeah, it went through like my my frame, but I almost crashed, bro. I was so confused. That was freaking gamer. Yeah. This is where my friend live, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You live all the way down the street like over there. Avaracadabra. This town is like so tiny, bro. It's tiny, but there's like a lot of things to do. I'm pretty sure there's like 3 or 4 restaurants. A library. Yeah, the carnival, which I showed. And then the, okay. Which, with only like a population of like 1,500 people. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's not for a town. But that is a lot of freaking stuff for like a tiny out town. Oh my at the same. Oh, my leg hurts. And my mama is here. And you done my screen. Am I still recording? Am I still recording? Okay, I think I am. But it's okay, because I will be happy with the power of friendship.